Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best no-drill TV mount on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. NGU No-Drill TV Mount. The NGU No-Drill TV Mount is just what you need for entertaining in small spaces. This exceptional product has been designed to your needs, offering a strong hold and easy installation without drilling or anchors. Perfect for 26 to 55-inch flat-screen TVs, this no-drill TV mount is the ultimate space-saving solution. Every piece of hardware you need for a hassle-free installation is included. The studless TV mount is convenient and helps eliminate clutter. It's heavy-duty, reliable, and will make a difference in your home. What we like about it: easy to install, holds TV securely, sturdy and strong. What we don't like about it: extra bolts are needed. Number 2. Allo Ace No-Drill TV Mount. The Allo Ace No-Drill TV mount is a game-changer in interior design and home organization. With this no-drill TV mount, you can avoid pesky drills, damaging screws, and the hassle of finding wall studs. It's all about ingenious strength and clever design for stability. This no-drill TV mount can hold flat-screen TVs from 12 to 55 inches and supports weights up to 99 pounds. Its unique 45-degree nails add an extra layer of stability and rigidity, allowing your TV to sit flush against the wall for a sleek, modern look. Installation with the included hardware levels is a breeze so that you can achieve that perfect level TV viewing experience. What we like about it: clever design for strong support, prevents wall damage, easy to install with basic tools. What we don't like about it: the gap between the walls limits device connectivity. Number 3. Antim B No-Drill TV Mount. Avoid the hassle of finding wall studs with the Antim B Studless TV Mount. Perfectly designed to support 12 to 55-inch TVs, this no-drill TV mount brings the best-in-class secure studless design for easy and safe installation. Crafted to fit most television screens and monitors, this wall bracket features a universal fit. It can comfortably support gadgets up to 100 pounds, ensuring a sturdy and secure hold for your entertainment devices. This innovative no-drill TV mount provides a seamless blend of simplicity, security, and durability. What we like about it: easy and convenient installation, provides excellent stability, versatile and compatible with many TVs. What we don't like about it: the mount's nails do not go in straight. Number 4. EcoGear No-Drill TV Mount. The EcoGear No-Drill TV mount for drywall is great for easy installation. This TV mount has a slim, no-stud design and is perfect for holding TVs up to 100 pounds with just nails. It doesn't require any drilling. No drilling means no damage to your walls. With its easy, secure installation and quickest assembly, this TV mount revolutionizes how you set up your entertainment system. It is convenient and offers a sleek, modern look, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a first-timer. What we like about it: easy and quick to install, extremely sturdy and secure, comes with a built-in level. What we don't like about it: the mount accessories are single-use. Number 5. Hipego No-Drill TV Mount. The Hipego No-Drill TV wall mount is perfectly designed for 26 to 55-inch flat screens. This studless TV drywall hanger bracket is your go-to solution for fuss-free installation. With this no-drill TV mount, you can avoid endless drilling or sticking with adhesives. It helps you set up your entertainment system exactly how you want it, without the hassle. This TV mount is the epitome of convenience and functionality. The studless design of this TV mount not only provides easy installation but will save your walls. What we like about it: easy to install, sturdy and holds the weight of most TVs. Won't damage your walls. What we don't like about it: the level tool is prone to falling out during the installation process. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.